Hi friends, look at the new camper. This is Winnie, short for Winifred. My sister's truck's name is Baloo from the Jungle Book, so we named her Winnie. She is absolutely perfect in everything that we needed. It's just basically a nice elevated tent. The beds are fantastic. They're not air mattresses, and she served her purpose absolutely wonderfully. So in this vlog, I kind of just show you the most random things because I was just trying to really unwind and live in the moment and actually like relax and make a good vacation out of it. So you guys are going to get a lot of random jumps in time. But it is a lot of fun, and I really did have a good time unplugging during this camping trip and just exploring new places and seeing what life is like in Minnesota. I got to go to a few different downtowns, a lot of different restaurants, coffee shops, ice cream shops. It was a lot of fun for me, and being in the pop-up and having a game night with my family, and it just kind of helped me remember like my childhood and how my dad would take me and my sister camping in our pop-up, and how much I cherished those memories and how much I want to pass those kind of things along to Kelly. This trip was really, really special in that way, and I got to do some of my favorite things like hiking and cooking. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Of course, I'll be talking to you throughout it, but enjoy the show. Hi friends. So it's like 55 degrees right now and this breeze feels amazing. The boys are in their sweaters. I have not really vlogged a whole lot this trip yet. We were just really busy like with setup the first day, and then yesterday we had some things to do with my family. So I think today will be pretty chill and relaxing, and I can kind of show you guys more of what, camping looks like. And I think we finally got the camper figured out, like, set up how we want it and a flow that works for us. So this bed is so comfortable. It's so comfy. It's been really good 2 nights of sleep, which I can't say for tent camping. Tent camping is rough sleep, so I am happy in that aspect that we have, the pop-up. I'll show you guys that if I haven't already. I have to take a video of it like all put together because we organized it and, kind of made it more homey and whatnot. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the vlog and enjoy going camping with me. Eat it! Get that acorn. You're crazy. You're crazy. You're crazy. That's just the pancake mix. It's not like getting cooked in that. I just didn't have a bowl to mix in. Okay, let's work on start pancakes and coffee. I found my dad's Coleman percolator and I'm so excited because it makes so much coffee. I can't freaking wait.
I've never used it before, and I'm honestly a little scared, but we'll figure it out. I'm gonna set it in here. My sister brought her kettle, so do I just warm the water up on her kettle so I don't have to waste all the gas, maybe? I think I'll do that. Yeah, I think I'll do that. This is not going as I had planned. Shoot. Trying to aim off to the side there.
Going back to my bathroom, a squirrel ran down, but it looked like a chipmunk. It looks like a hybrid of a chipmunk and a squirrel.
Or like a fall piano or something would be good.
How about
Well, that one's pretty. I like that.
cozy camping? Try that one, cozy camping.
Something that I noticed as I was getting ready for this trip and packing for this trip was that decluttering literally affects every single part of your life. For me, packing and getting ready for a trip is usually full of stress and full of anxiety. However, I was not stressed or anxious because I knew where all my clothes were. I knew where all of my stuff was that I wanted to take to the Renaissance Fair, and I had very minimal anxiety around all of it. And I think it just goes to show how when you start to take control of one area of your life, the other areas kind of start to fall into place. And knowing that I could come home and easily put my stuff into the places that it belongs, and having the weight of not having so much stuff weighing me down, it was a phenomenal realization to have. And it was such an interesting way to come about that by just packing and going on this trip.
I was wondering if that was what that was. I was wondering if that was. Thank you. Got goldenrod now. They're right here.
Something else I've been really trying to do that really kind of seeped over into this vacation was not online shop. And thrift stores have been a huge lifesaver for me. I literally found all of my Renaissance Fair outfit and all of Kelly's Renaissance Fair outfit at the thrift stores. And I really tried to stop relying on Amazon and online shopping and major box stores. I've been trying to think outside of the box and use what is already, available to us in the thrift stores. And again, it was something else that I have implemented in my everyday life that completely seeped over into this vacation. And it just, I don't know, it was another realization of like, wow, I can actually see the changes I am making in my everyday, day-to-day life and taking those into bigger parts of my life, like on vacation, and not really stepping down from those morals and those values and taking them along with me in everything that I do.
I'm so tired. It's been nice and chilly. We just went thrift shopping for the Renaissance Fair. Hopefully I got what I wanted. I don't really know. But yeah. I'm tired. It's chilly. It's been very chill. Hopefully it wasn't too boring of a vlog for you guys. But I've just been enjoying it. It's been very rainy today. It's very nice and relaxing. Must be water down there.
You're not getting that. Do you want to go up to the smaller boats?
I said I would get a fine motor coach first.
Does he need to wear this thing?
What is that? The hood? Let me see it. That's perfection. So yeah, he absolutely does have to wear that. God, that's a nice ride.
Oh yeah, I did see a king walk around earlier. Him and Allie acknowledged.
It looks like Hawkins is pressing things
Pressure and good. Dreams retreating Hawkins.
Post-Renaissance fair, I have completely stripped down to my base dress. All earrings are out. Oh my god! Can you see the line of dirt? Yeah.
So, as we go on to the last few days of my camping trip, I hope that you guys just take a moment for yourself and go outside, touch some grass, reconnect with nature, and try to ground yourselves, especially right now. There is so much going on, and there is so much to be afraid of. There's so much to be grateful for. But honestly, I was terrified to take a trip. I thought it might be a waste of money and that could go to more useful things in this current time that we're in. However, this trip made me realize how little we need in life and how much people matter in our lives and how important it is to connect with nature and to connect with ourselves and really think about our wants and our desires and what we're looking for in this life and what we stand for, and making sure that you are staying true to who you are in everything that you do. And I know it sounds silly to come to this realization on a vacation, but when you get this much fresh air, that's bound to happen. So thank you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.